Thumbnails in grayscale first. If hierarchy works without color, it will perform with color. Then introduce color strategically to reinforce, not create. Hierarchy. This avoids accidental clutter. Avoid evenly weighted elements. Symmetry reduces visual momentum. Asymmetry creates directional flow, guiding the eye across the frame. Professionally optimized thumbnails feel simple because a hierarchy is intentional. If viewers need more than half a second to understand what to look at first, the thumbnail is already losing clicks.